If you want to set up Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy A56, so first of all, you are to open up your settings. Now you have to scroll down to your Google tab, press All Services, scroll down to your Search Assistant and Voice, and tap on your Google Assistant. Tap on your voice match, and first of all, we have to tap on the switch near your Google Assistant to activate it. Now let's press More, press I agree, more. I agree. So by agreeing to this, you're given all the necessary permissions for your assistant to function properly. Now press Next. And basically it's set up. However, before we start using it, I recommend you to press Retrain Voice Match Model and follow the simple on-screen instructions. So let's say, hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how the rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Great, now it's ready, so we can simply press Next, and now we can use it. So let's try and ask, hey Google, what's the weather today?
In Prague 3, it'll be cloudy, with a high of 16 and a low of 8. Right now it's 15 and cloudy.
And basically, that's how you use it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.